What's going on, guys? Crypto Shoney here, coming back with a brand new cryptocurrency video for you. This is going to be a quick one, just an update on Crypterra this morning. There was a lot of pandemonium. Panic, people posting everywhere about how wrong everyone was about Crypterra. If you tried to access their website this morning, between the hours of approximately about 8 a.m. Central till about 11 a.m. Central, so they were down for about 3 hours. When you try to go to their site, it said forbidden. You don't have permission to access this on the server. Alternatively, there was a message saying that their index file was missing. Basically, it looks like maybe they got overloaded because their web server couldn't find the root file to render a web page. If we hop over to their Twitter, after the fact, so 15 minutes ago, they waited till it was actually resolved to put a post on here. On our website, we were unscheduled technical work, because of which for some time it was unavailable. We apologize for the inconvenience. So nice that they put something here after the fact. Had they know what the hell they were doing, they would have put this, when it started, so the 3 hours people didn't just freak out thinking exit scam. Right after that, they said we are finishing development of an entirely new website, more secure. Hopefully that means two-factor authentication, more functional and more convenient. It will be launched soon. So hopefully this is proof that, if they actually do roll out a new website, I don't know many scam companies that would invest more time and more money to upgrade their website, only to potentially leave right after that Christmas sale. That's kind of the opinion, is after the Christmas coupon, they're just going to take their money and run. So if this actually comes to fruition and the website comes out, then I think it might be further proof they're in it for at least a longer haul, maybe not the long haul. Then lastly, they put 3 posts here within the matter of 6 minutes. They said we're working hardly, we are hardly working on fixing some bags, I think they meant bugs, on our website. If you have some problems, do not worry, we will figure it out ASAP. We good compensation. I'm not sure what they mean, if they're going to compensate us for the issues or if they know they're the most profitable. Not sure. Clearly English is not their first language. We'll show you some pics and video from our new data center soon. It will be launched on February 2017. Clearly they don't know how to proofread as well. I did put a nice funny comment here. You all need to go back to the future.
Calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're going to see some serious shit.
If they're going to show us what they launched in February 2017, clearly they meant 18. I was just kind of poking and prodding there. So, all the naysayers, I think I got probably 30 posts on YouTube and about the same on Twitter. Look what happened to Crypterra. Well, as of right now, the last laugh's on you, because they're back open again. Here's their website. It's working just fine. I'll refresh it. Still working. Nothing changed for me. Still mining. I did take a withdrawal yesterday afternoon. It still has not been batched. It still says processing here. I presume it'll be batched soon. Hopefully they pay a little more fees, but I just got a little nervous having over $1,000 in a balance, and this website is still risky, so I went ahead and took a withdrawal. As you can see, I waited a long time. I almost had a full Ethereum, and I had 0.068 Bitcoin, so decent size withdrawal here. Hopefully it doesn't take forever to get through the blockchain, although the mempool right now is down, so if they were submitted now, it'd probably get eaten up by the miners pretty quickly, so hopefully they do that. That's pretty much all I had. The website's back up. None of my numbers changed negatively. Still don't know what billing information means. This seems to switch from Litecoin to Bitcoin, I don't know, every single day. I don't know why they do that, but it's back up, guys. Crypterra sees to live another day. So, just be patient. Every website's going to have technical issues. We know this company is absolutely horrible at giving us updates real time. So don't always assume the worst. I know it's risky. That's why you never put money you aren't willing to lose into a platform like this. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys all have a good weekend. Take care and see y'all later.